पे कर दिया,
Yes, sir.
right? So you're at home.
Yes, sir. I'm at home.
So everybody would have been so happy now with the results.
Yes, everybody is happy.
Great. So now, Purva, now it is a time definitely to celebrate, है ना? कुछ दिन तो अब बस छुट्टियों का घूमने फिरने का मौका मिलेगा. But then it is high time that you have big responsibility on your shoulders, like how you have qualified the exam, how you have followed the strategy. That has to be something like which you have to tell your juniors, and they all have to like follow you, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
it is
Mhm.
so happy moment for us to see all our students getting like this good result. So proud of you. अब
Thank
मुझे
you so much, sir.
just tell all the viewers, those who are watching us, or those who will be watching us, just tell me or tell all of us how you started, from which university you are, and how the things have gone down and up, and how you have now just become the star of the evening.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for taking this interview. My name is Purvasha, and I studied from BAU University in Georgia. And when I completed my course from Georgia, I straight away I came to Delhi, and I joined Bhartiya. And this was my always my first option to join Bhartiya. And because Sakshi ma'am and you were there, and there were so many great faculties, there was no doubt that I was going somewhere else. And I just kept my trust into this institute, and whatever you gave us to study, I just revised that again and again. And I also gave all the tests. I didn't miss even a single test from Bhatia. So I think it helped me to improve, to look into my where I was lagging behind, which my subject was weak, and I think that is what helped me a lot. And I would also like to mention that there was no single faculty in every subject which did not motivate us to do our best every day. Almost like all faculty, they motivated us every day. And I would like to thank all my teachers there, especially to Sakshi ma'am and Sushil sir. You have always been throughout uh, our journey. It was very helpful, and बहुत बहुत आप लोगों को शुक्रिया.
नहीं भरोसा, इट इज ऑल योर हार्ड वर्क. हम लोग तो सिर्फ एक रास्ता बना रहे थे, एंड यू आर द कॉन्फिडेंट वन जिसने उस रास्ते पे चला, और यू ट्रस्टेड अस, राइट? सो आई हैव वेरी वेरी क्विक क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. ठीक है, नाउ वंस यू वर स्टार्टिंग, आपने प्रिपरेशन शुरू की, सो यू हैव सो मेनी कलीग्स अराउंड यू, दोज हु आर इन वेरिएबल इंस्टीट्यूट्स, कुछ खुद पढ़ रहे हैं, कुछ अलग जगह पढ़ रहे हैं. टेल मी, व्हेन वी गेव यू द वर्कबुक्स, जब हमने आपको दी, तो कुछ बच्चों ने मुझे कहा था कि आपकी वर्कबुक में ना पेजेस बहुत कम है. सो विल दैट बी इनफ टू कवर अप ऑल द कंटेंट ऑफ एफएमजी? योर कमेंट्स ऑन अवर वर्कबुक?
Yeah, definitely. It is more than enough to cover in FMG if anybody is preparing that, because the content is so crisp and concise. Like even after every subject, I used to go to everyone and tell that ये कितना crisp है, ये कितना concise है, ये कितना अच्छा है. And the my other friends from other institutes, they were very बहुत परेशान थे वो लोग, because they had nearly 200 to 300 400 pages to study, and they didn't know what to study, कौन सा important है, which is important, what is not. They didn't had any idea. But that workbook is so helpful that we got the exact idea, exact important things which we should study, and to apply that knowledge into our questions. And it is very helpful. It was very helpful, especially orthopedics में भी बहुत सारे questions आए, और gynae और obs में the ma'am made it so simple. Her notes are very simple to read. And also I would like to stress on microbiology. That was one subject which I used to run off from that subject. But sir made it so simple for us. He made us so funny mnemonics to remember. And also there is one subject ENT. उससे भी मैं बहुत दूर भागती थी, बट सर ने उतना ही हमें उस सब्जेक्ट के पास लाया. एंड आई थिंक ENT is all because of my ENT faculty in Bharti. Otherwise I couldn't have done it.
ऑल राइट. पूर्वा, सी, इन एनी प्रिपरेशन ना, यू ऑल्सो न्यू कि तुम्हारा टाइम बहुत लिमिटेड है. उतना ही 4, 4.5, 5 महीने का टाइम है, राइट? एंड नाउ यू टेल अस, व्हेन वी वर प्रिपेयरिंग यू गाइस फॉर द राउंड वन एंड राउंड टू, राइट? सो ओके, राइट. So when you were preparing, so we gave you the schedule of round one also and round two also. बहुत लोगों में dilemma था कि round two होगा क्या इसके अंदर, because nobody ever had done that round two, right? So it was you. I know कि you have trusted the path, but what all thoughts you had about round two? कि round one तो हो गया, अब उसके बाद 1 डेढ़ महीना बचा है, तो what we are going to do? Did you had any like thoughts over it कि round two में क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, and all that revision? Some comments of from your side on round two.
Yes, many students had this dilemma of attending the round two or not, and they were thinking to चलो घर से ही पढ़ लेते हैं हो जाएगा. But I think it was very helpful. It boosts your studies to a next level. It's very important to attend those classes.
Acha, faculties. See, what I've been observing, you know that your batch was the first one for DBMC FMG segment, right? And now we are running the second batch. So when you joined, हमारी faculties DBMCI was not running any FMG like course, है ना? तो बहुत सारे बच्चों में डिलेमा था कि DBMCI की faculties they are not well known, FMG में कोई नहीं जानता है. Now tell me very honestly, how did you find our faculties? You might have been in connect ना, बहुत सारे दोस्तों से बातें होती रहती हैं. So when you have read from our faculties, all of our faculties, how was your experience? Ki when they are not known in FMG, but how was your experience after reading from them? And what is your message to all your juniors now?
I joined this institute because of the faculties, first of all, because I kept my trust in them. And ऐसा नहीं है from whatever source we study, but we have to just stick to this one source and study from that source very well. It's just that how well we recall in this exams. And sorry, sir, I just debated what was your question. I'm so sorry.
देखो, फैकल्टीज जब हमने शुरू किया ना, तो बहुत सारे बच्चों में डिलेमा था कि डीबीएमसी की फैकल्टीज हैं, बहुत लोगों को हम जानते नहीं है, तो विल इट बी अ गुड आइडिया और नॉट अ गुड आइडिया, है ना? तो आई वांट टू नो योर एक्सपीरियंस कि व्हेन यू नो कि faculties were not known in FMG, but we are always the number one in the NEET PG segment. FMG में, how is your experience if the faculties are not known in the FMG part? Even then, what message you would like to give to your juniors कि how are the faculties at DBMCI?
Okay, no. It was not like that. The FMG, these faculties are not very known with the FMG syllabus. It was not at all like that. They were very well versed with the FMG syllabus and important topics and everything. And wherever in every class, if there is any important topic, और सबको पता होता था कि ये क्वेश्चन आपके इसमें आया है, ये क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आ सकता है. Everybody knew कि all of these questions have been asked. So they already have been through these topics and through the questions, and they have been guiding us कि ये वाला क्वेश्चन आया था ऐसा. So it's not like they don't know what is the FMG topics and important topics. It's not like that. They know everything. They have an idea of everything, and I think this is why I was able to clear.
Perfect. What is your opinion about our round one and about our round two and about our ATP sessions? Right? कुछ अलग अलग यूनिक नाम थे, अलग अलग चीजें थी, and all those the test and for all the things that we have been pushing and you have been messaging me कि सर आज का तो कोड ही कुछ हो गया, टेस्ट नहीं हुआ, क्लास में कुछ हुआ, राइट? सो व्हाट इज योर एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट दिस कि बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ने में फायदा है या स्ट्रीमलाइन स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ने में फायदा है?
स्मार्टली पढ़ने में बहुत फायदा है. Instead of reading the whole chunk and reading the whole 300 or 400 pages, we have to work very smartly. We have to categorize all the subjects and all our time, and how much time we are going to give to a particular subject. If a particular subject is having more weightage, then we have to give it more marks. And coming to round one, superbly start हुआ सब कुछ बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा. But after a few days or months, I would say that even I started to have a feeling because there were so many repeaters in my batch, and I was this was my first attempt. So I spoke to Sakshi ma'am also, but she was, and also you were a constant, the light which made us through this exam. And talking about Achhi Tarah Padho sessions, I attended that from the YouTube, and that also was very helpful as I already had my workbook with me. So I used to mark everything in that workbook which missed already, or any extra points I used to mark in that, and it helped me a lot. But I did it from YouTube session, that अच्छी तरह पढ़ो वाला.
अच्छी तरह पढ़ो में इतने सारे हमारी फैकल्टीज थे. Any special mention of any faculty? जो subject you told me about micro was one of the subject which you were always afraid of. और कोई इसके अलावा अच्छी तरह पढ़ो?
ऑब्जन गाइनी
was
बहुत
good
अच्छा
one.
रहा.
बहुत
या.
अच्छा रहा ना. तो साक्षी मैम तो इज ऑलवेज गुड, उसमें कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है. चलो, सो नाउ एनी सिंगल मैसेज, like any of the student, I received one student अभी कुछ दिनों पहले ना, he met me and he told me कि सर मैं ना मेन पढ़ लेता हूँ, राइट, मेन सब्जेक्ट, मेजर सब्जेक्ट पढ़ लेता हूँ. वन मैसेज टू ऑल योर जूनियर्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिसंबर एग्जाम. शॉर्ट में बताओ, सिंपल में, जो सबको समझ में आए कि क्या पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, क्वांटिटी या क्वालिटी, राइट, एंड अ स्ट्रक्चर प्रोग्राम और अ रैंडम प्रोग्राम. टेल ऑल योर जूनियर्स, योर मैसेज टू ऑल योर
ओके.
जूनियर्स.
ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सब लोग मुझसे ये लाइक पूछते हैं बहुत लोग कि इज 6 months और 1 year इनफ टू क्रैक दिस एग्जाम. यस, इट इज इनफ. सेकेंड, कि स्ट्रक्चरली पूरा बनाना पड़ेगा एंड वैसे पढ़ना पड़ेगा, because randomly it's not possible. And if you think that you will study only 10 subjects and pass, no, it's not possible. You have to cover every subject. At least if you're not covering, you're not able to cover every subject, you have to at least see the PYTs and PYQs of that subject and then go to the exam. Like, do not make this mistake of just covering just 10 or 5. I will read either surgery and medicine and obs and gynae and I'll go to the exam and I'll just leave micro and ENT and optha. You can't do that. You can do that in the exam. You have to study all of these topics and then you can cross the limit of the 150. It's
Perfect.
not possible. ऐसे तो.
Perfect. So now, Purva, again, a big congratulations to you, right? So making this happen, and just now make us proud. अब अगले की तैयारी करो and see you in the next classroom now. तो नीट वाली में आ जाओगे, नेक्स्ट आएगा कि नहीं, बट अब नाउ सी यू इन द नीट क्लासरूम, उसको भी क्वालिफाई करो ऐसे ही.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर सपोर्ट. आप भी सुबह 5-5 बजे उठ के हम लोगों को मोटिवेट करते थे. मैं तो नहीं उठती थी 5 बजे, बट आई हैव सीन योर मैसेजेस. आई एम नॉट अ वेरी अर्ली राइजर, बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मोटिवेटिंग अस ऑल थ्रू आउट द जर्नी. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू ऑल्सो थैंक ऑल द स्टाफ मेंबर्स ऑल्सो. उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प किया है एंड देयर वाज नॉट इवन वन सिंगल मोमेंट जहाँ पे प्रोजेक्टर काम नहीं कर रहा है या वो काम नहीं कर रहा है. ऐसा कभी कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. इट वाज एवरीथिंग वाज परफेक्ट, एवरीथिंग वाज स्मूथ. थैंक यू सो मच.
All the very best, Picha, and just pay your regards at your home to everyone, and just keep doing good, keep shining. All the very best.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.